Welcome to the Electric Wheelchairs USA Mobility Experts channel. In this video, we will take a closer look at one of the most unique scooters on the market, the Affy Scooter SE. Once you see this scooter in person, you can't deny the beauty and the attention to detail in this retro design. The Affy Scooter SE is truly one of its kind, giving you the look and feel of a retro motorcycle combined with the features and safety of a mobility device. Riding the scooter makes you feel like you are king of the road or sidewalk. With a variable speed of a little over 9 miles per hour and the stability of a large 3-wheel design, you are in for a safe and fun ride. The Affy Scooter has an impressively long battery range of up to 28 miles. Outdoors, golf courses, parks, trails, you're just going to have fun. With a sharp turning radius, the Affy Scooter SE allows you to easily navigate tight spaces and take sharp turns, whether you use this scooter to go shopping, to the park, or anywhere in between. The SE model has a large storage compartment in the back that's big enough to carry your cooler, groceries, fishing rides, or even your pet. Large, comfortable captain seat with a rider's weight capacity of up to 550 pounds. High ground clearance. No wonder the Affy Scooter SE is recognized as the world's leading personal electric vehicle for over 40 years. The SE comes with a long 2-year labor warranty. Affy is the only manufacturer with this kind of warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality of their products for over 40 years. This scooter and many others are available for you to view or purchase at electricwheelchairsusa.com. We are open 7 days a week, and our mobility experts will make sure you get the mobility product that's right for you.